Setting up ExpressVPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick or Fire TV is straightforward. Follow these steps to get started. So it is compatible with all versions of Fire TV and second generation and above on Fire TV stick. On your Fire device, go to the search icon, enter ExpressVPN, and select it from the search results. Select Download to install the app. Once installed, select Open to launch the app. Now, select Sign In. You can sign in using one of three ways: QR code, or remote. Your device will ask for permission to set up the VPN. Select OK to give permission. Accept ExpressVPN's connection request by selecting OK. The app will ask if you'd like to share anonymous information to help improve ExpressVPN. Select your preference to continue. So to connect, select the On button. ExpressVPN will suggest a smart location for optimal performance. Once connected, you'll see a connected message. To disconnect, select the On button again. You will see the message not connected. So basically that's it.